Hello, welcome back to the channel. Over time, we've bought a lot of RV gear, some good, some unnecessary, and some that just honestly takes up storage space. But these 5 items are upgrades I genuinely would not want to camp without anymore. They made setup easier, made the RV more comfortable, and just improved everyday camping life. And the best part is, none of these are crazy expensive major renovations. So here are the top 5 RV purchases I absolutely would buy again. Let's start with something simple, RV step covers. This is one of those upgrades that didn't seem important at first, but now I notice immediately if they're not there. They keep dirt, mud, gravel and sand outside instead of getting tracked into the RV constantly. They also give better grip when the steps are wet, and if you travel with pets they can make it much easier for dogs to go in and out of the RV comfortably without slipping on the metal steps. In fact, our dog won't go up the steps without the mats on. Honestly, they just make the entry feel cleaner, safer and more comfortable overall. Such a small upgrade, but we use them literally every single trip. Have you ever spent a lot of time pulling forward, backing up, checking bubble levels, and repeating the process over and over and over again? Campsite leveling can get very frustrating very fast, and not many campsites are level. The Beach Lane Camper Levelers made setup way easier for us. Instead of stacking blocks and guessing, you simply roll onto the curved leveler until the RV is level and lock it in place. It's fast, easy, and way less stressful than arriving at a campsite after a long drive. Definitely one of those wish I had bought this sooner RV purchases. This item completely changed our setup process, but is well worth the investment, and installation is very simple. The LevelMate Pro connects to your phone through Bluetooth and tells you exactly how much to raise or lower each side of the RV. No more guessing, no more hopping in and out, checking bubble levels. You can literally see the level information right on your phone while positioning the RV. Especially when setting up in uneven campsites, this saves a lot of time and frustration. Once you use one of these, it's hard going back. I do have a full review of this item in another video. However, I had to make this one of my top 5, as this is another item that I would hate to be without. Before this, checking propane levels basically meant guessing. Now, with the Mopika sensors, I can literally check propane levels directly from my phone in seconds. No disconnecting tanks, no lifting them, no wondering if they're about to run out during the night. Especially during cold weather camping, this gives a lot of peace of mind. Simple upgrade and huge convenience. This upgrade made the RV kitchen feel much more like our home. A lot of factory RV faucets honestly are cheap and awkward to use. The Krea pull-down faucet gives us better reach, better water control, easier dishwashing and easier sink cleanup. And the pull-down sprayer makes a massive difference in a smaller RV sink. It's one of those upgrades that makes the RV feel more residential and less like a basic camper. So those are 5 RV purchases that I genuinely use all the time and absolutely would buy again. Sometimes the smaller upgrades end up making the biggest difference in everyday RV life. If you have an RV item you now can't camp without, leave it down in the comments. I'm always looking for new ideas and upgrades to check out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.